Welcome to Ronika Michelle. Thanks for watching. Good afternoon, YouTube fam. It is Ronika Michelle, and I just have one question. Have you been walking in wholeness today? So today I am going to be demonstrating the rain on a tin roof sound from Sleep Jar. This is a new one for me too, but at first I was not going to do this one. I'm like, I don't really like this too much. But the more I listen to it, I'm like, yeah, this is kind of relaxing. So, here we go.
Welcome back to Sleep Jar. What should I play?
Rain on a Tin Roof. Stop. All right, family. That was Rain on a Tin Roof. Like I said, initially I was not gonna demo this one, but after listening to it more, I'm like, this is actually very relaxing. And I could definitely see why this was added. So sometimes it's the oddest choices that really are the best. So I hope you enjoyed, and make sure that you leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Share these videos with friends, anybody who likes relaxing sounds, nature sounds, anything like that. And always remember to walk in your wholeness because it looks good on you. Have a great day on purpose. And if you can't, in the words of Tabitha Brown, don't go ruining anybody else's. All right? Peace and blessings. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to walk in your wholeness today.